Jemarcus's budget is $150,000, which is like right on the money for the perfect starter home budget in Laurel.
I love sports. I coach sports. Booyah! I love motivating kids and love to be a great inspiration. That's just my main goal right now. Make sure everybody's around me having a good time. I don't need anything huge right now, just something small, a little bit of modern to it, nothing over the top.
He is gonna inspire the younger people that he teaches. And by buying a house when he's so young and doing so much with his talent here, that has a big ripple effect in your community.
Okay, this is the Reeves house. Cecil and Lola Reeves bought the house in 1970 and then lived here for 30 years. It's 3 bedrooms, 1.5 baths, 1,800 square feet, and they're asking $85,000 for it. And it is in really good shape. So what do you think?
It's a good size.
Come in, come in.
So this is your living room.
The floors need to be refinished. They're a little scary, but
Yeah, but we would refinish the floors. Watch your head here.
yes, the dinner table would obviously go here. And then the kitchen,
Woo! Now this
it's a huge kitchen.
is a kitchen.
Yeah.
This is a kitchen.
There's a lot of room for improvement because we can make it a little more personal. I know you love a modern, industrial look.
Yes.
Right?
Like the windows.
I like the windows too. I would paint them black so they'd look like steel windows. And then to pull a little more black into the room, the cabinets could be painted black with brass hardware. And then we delete these 2 little closets over here so your new cabinets can wrap all the way to that wall. And we could have your oven and hood vent on the back wall and refrigerator built in on the right. And we're kind of standing in a breakfast nook here. We'd close this door off to that bedroom.
Okay.
And build a new pantry there and have like a little mudroom area at the back door, like with a bench and hooks and a place to sit and put your shoes on in the morning.
Take off my jacket or hang.
Hang your jacket right when you
yeah.
walk in.
We do want to spend a little bit of money on your bedroom.
It's kind of small.
It's kind of small.
It's real small. I really want to see some more natural light in here. So I'd want to add some windows on that back wall behind you.
Okay.
And then open up this wall to this little bedroom next door, absorb it into this room so you have one huge bedroom then.
Okay.
It becomes a 2-bedroom, 1-bath house, which is plenty for you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So $85,000 is a good price for this house. We would need to put another $65,000 into it. Okay, so this house would come in at $150,000.
It's basically only needing a little bit done to it.
There is another one that we want to show you. It'll be a little bit less.
It's also a little rougher.
Oh, I'm kind of nervous.
It's a cool house.
Wow.
So let's talk about the Berry house. Gordon and Helen Berry lived here in the 50s and 60s, and Gordon was mayor of Laurel for a little while. It's 2 bedrooms, 1 bath, 1,500 square feet, and they're asking $42,000 for it. So what do you think?
As far as where I want to be at in Laurel, this is the perfect location, but I mean, just looking at it from the outside,
It's
looking
not really
in,
your style.
it definitely use some work.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This step up right here has this huge hole in it.
Yeah.
It's a bad sinkhole.
Bad sinkhole.
Before we ever go inside, we need to spend about $50,000 on the house, which is more than the house is for sale for.
Wow.
Yep.
I know, that's a lot. That's scary. So are you still interested, even if it's $50,000 on the outside?
Let's check it out.
You
All
want to see
right.
the inside? Okay. The carpet's really bad.
Yeah.
This is a good size living room. These French doors are beautiful. Fireplace. Not everybody gets a fireplace in the living room. Pull up this carpet, refinish the wood floors that are underneath. We feel pretty good about what would be under this carpet. And then the kitchen needs a lot of work.
Whoa. This is different.
So this is beadboard. It was like the plywood of its day. It was a cheap material that they used to cover walls.
But it's very well-made material.
Yeah, it's great material, solid.
We could save money if we keep it instead of try to sheetrock over it. And if we change the colors in here, we can make it better for sure. New lighting, pull up this linoleum and refinish the wood floors beneath. And we keep all the beadboard, but we give you cabinets on that wall with your oven and your hood vent built in right there. And then we use this little closet to build in a refrigerator so you have even more room. Here, your sink stays where it is, but all new cabinets. And I'd love to give you like a kind of industrial stone countertop that's like sort of a slate gray.
Oh,
That'd be cool, right?
That would be nice.
You'd like it?
The other place you spend your money is your bathroom.
Yes. The bathroom is just in the hall, step to the right.
The one without a knob.
We'll get you a knob though if you buy the house.
That's a deal.
Step on in there.
Check it out.
I'm not sure if I want to step in here.
It's pretty rough.
It's spicy.
Yeah.
Spicy.
So we get rid of everything in the bathroom, but we keep that bathtub because it's cast iron. It's in great shape. And we build new wood paneling across the front of the tub, new shower panels, new sheet vinyl flooring, take out all this wallpaper, give you a new vanity, give you new lighting, and a new toilet.
Yeah. Has potential.
It does have potential. So everything that we've talked about so far would be $100,000 on top of purchasing it for $42,000. So $142,000 all in.
That's a great place to be on your first house. Anyway, think about it. Let's get out of this tight space. It is too cramped in that one spot.
Let's roll. Between the two homes, it's gonna be a really tough decision.
Did you buy a house?
He bought a house. He's a homeowner.
What? How are you gonna tell Ben and not tell me? Which house?
If he shoots a three-pointer,
Three-pointer.
it's the Berry house.
Okay.
He shoots a layup, it's the Reeves house. What's he gonna do? Is he gonna shoot a three-pointer? Is he gonna, huh? Whoa, 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 whoa.
You shot it! You bought a house! The Berry house!
Berry house.
Oh man, this is gonna be so good!
I'm pumped up.
And he made the shot.
Congratulations!
And I made the shot. I know it's gonna be a process, but I definitely trust you two.
I'm so happy for you. This is so great.
Yeah. We are demoing Jemarcus's house today.
What's under the carpet?
Chase is on the case. These look good.
Oh my gosh, these are seriously gorgeous. We're budgeted to refinish all these floors.
And that costs, you know, $5,000, $7,000 for a whole house.
Yeah.
And I think we might not even have to do that now. It's like a mop floor to me.
If it keeps going like it is, then I think we can just clean these guys
They're
up.
perfect. The color is so pretty.
I want to get this bank of cabinets out so that maybe we can see what's underneath the linoleum floor.
There's our flooring.
Yeah. Know what I think it is?
Does it rhyme with schmishmeshtos?
It does.
I can get this tested. I mean, what do you think?
We're wasting time because I can about tell you it's asbestos.
It's a first time home buying experience. I don't want to blow it up with some problem that costs him more than he was anticipating. And as long as we're not going to disturb the asbestos at all, it's perfectly fine to just go over it.
Yeah. It's safe.
It's safe. Everybody like that plan?
So we're done in the kitchen.
Y'all, we're almost done with demo like all together today.
It's just the bathroom.
Oh man, I forgot about the bathroom.
That's not bad though.
So we're gonna dig up the entire walkway. Our plan is to build up the low spot and reverse the grade on the new walkway. That way the water flows away from the house instead of towards.
We can fix this. It's super easy. Jemarcus's budget isn't huge, so we're stretching it wherever we can. Like painting the fireplace is super easy, but it'll make a big impact. Resurfacing the old tub with new enamel will make it look brand new, but it's a fraction of the price. And the floors, all we did was mop them.
So my dad always says, like, if you got an old junky car and you want it to look better, wash the wheels and tires, clean the windows.
Same.
Same, except for we're doing everything. Everything is happening at Jemarcus's house today.
It's crazy.
We got the roof going on, painters have scraped.
And the concrete truck's rolling in.
Cement, we're fixing to pour cement for the walkway.
This is so fast.
Isn't this great?
This is so much better. Jemarcus loves industrial style that's a little bit modern, but we're going industrial light. Because the thing is, the house is not, I mean, it's a craftsman house, so we're just giving him
slightly industrial colors and finishes, but keeping the original character of the house everywhere we can.
I'm so relieved that the countertops look good with the wall color.
I love these countertops.
Me too. They're very fancy. I mean, it's fancy concrete. The challenge for me was to take what is a pretty cozy cottage and to make it feel more like Jemarcus and his style. And I feel like we did a good job of honoring what the house is, but also making it feel really cool and slightly modern and industrial in ways that he'll really love.
Don't look yet.
Just wait,
you can
just
walk.
wait, just wait.
This is the Ross house.
Oh, God. Oh my God, this is freaking awesome.
What do you love?
Everything about it. Y'all like took everything that I literally wanted and like made it a dream come true. My stomach is like flipping right now.
Don't throw up.
The door. Mustard yellow, baby.
That's the thing you're excited about. What's the
Yeah.
first thing you're gonna do? Like, who's coming over?
My mom.
Yeah, she's gonna freak out.
She's gonna freak out.
It's a big deal.
It's a big deal.
It's a really
First
big
home.
deal. I just wanted to find ways to apply the things that make it you.
We made really good investments everywhere. You got a new roof, you got a new walkway. What was going on with the hole there was that the walkway was actually sloping towards the house. We fixed that drainage issue. You don't have to worry about that anymore.
Scraped and painted every inch. Built a new handrail.
This is nothing. The inside of your house, the transformation is just as great as this.
Y'all better hurry up.
Are you so excited?
I'm too excited for this.
I
Oh
can
my
tell.
goodness. And this porch is like perfect.
Go for it.
Wait, what? This is crazy. Oh my goodness.
Ben built this for you.
This is my take on modern industrial.
Isn't that cool?
So we built the form, poured the concrete in it, let it cure, polished it a little bit, and look under here. So this is Purple Heart. That's not a stain or a dye. That's what color it is when the tree was cut down. So Mother Nature did that.
Mother Nature did her thing.
Yeah.
She did her thing. That is nice. This is like legit perfect. And this charcoal fireplace,
That's cool, huh? So huge, right? It seems bigger than it was.
it is bigger, right?
It's the same. We just painted it. Paint and light is all we changed in here.
And this floor, look,
Dude, we didn't do anything to the floor. We just pulled the carpet up, and this is what condition the floor was in.
goodness
I mean,
gracious.
we mopped it.
And there's a little goodie over here. Ben found this jewel under the house, that
this
old
old
weight
weight
bench. So Mallory and I like reupholstered it in leather, and we painted it, and now it's like a place to drop your duffel bag and
So
put
when
your
you're
shoes
coming
on.
in from the gym, you sit down, swap your shoes, like Mr. Rogers.
I love it.
I want to show you the rest. I gotta show you the kitchen.
Yeah.
Let's go through the dining
Go
room.
through the dining room.
Hey!
More mustard.
Whoa! Ooh, I love it. Give me some.
You like?
I love.
Just go see your kitchen. That's the cool part.
All right, here we go. This is my kitchen?
This is your kitchen.
Whoa. Fridge is not in the middle of the floor. It's,
No?
We gave you storage above it. You don't know this, but as a first-time homeowner, that storage is key.
Yeah. I think I'd put cereal up there. That's something I just decided
Well-
right now, but you do what you want to do. And we didn't really change a whole lot. We had to move that door that went to the back porch so that now you can have counter space that runs all the way to that wall. So we could put your oven over here and give it some cabinetry and some built-ins and
The bead board looks so much better with the color added to it.
it's your shirt. You are the kitchen. You do.
I am the kitchen.
You are.
I am the kitchen.
And these countertops we thought were cool because they kind of look like a polished concrete, which is a little industrial, but it's a quartz, so it's actually pretty fancy.
And this is the Ross home.
That's so right there. It's official.
Can it get any better?
Well, you haven't seen the bathroom.
Whoa! Oh my goodness. The tub, it's the same tub, right?
Same old tub.
Same tub.
Just refinished it and added this Spanish cedar siding to it. Thought it would be really fun to give you like this moment of stained wood that feels a little expensive and kind of like luxurious.
Looks
good.
It's a new toilet and a new vanity and sheet vinyl flooring, paint.
This was honestly a really good budget renovation for a bathroom, but you can see how transformed it can be with very little money.
This is fine.
A lot of good mornings in this mirror right here. Wake up, baby, let's go. Get your day started. Oh yeah.
Gonna be a good morning, getting ready in here.
Man, this is awesome.
This is by far the best house on this street and the street over, in my personal opinion, because it fits me. Everything that I told Ben and Erin that I liked and loved, they just took it and turned it into like 15 million times more than what I even wanted.
Look at this. Look, this is a masterpiece.
You look good sitting there.
Thank you. I feel like I'm at home.
Yeah,
You are.
right at
I feel
all.
like I'm at home.